Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I want to show you my funded account from Apex Trading. And I have been always trading my own money and never used a prop firm. But now I think it's time I use a prop firm and use the capital so that I can also make it in this journey. And so I got my first account, and this is basically my second funded account. The first funded account, I blew that out because I didn't know how to trade on TradeOwait. So it became a problem for me, and I don't know how to integrate it with connect it with your trading wave. So I tried to trade here. All my life I've been trading on MetaTrader MT4, and it became a problem. It was account was approved, and I did get a PA account. Eval account was I passed the eval account, then I got a PA account, but I blew the PA account because I don't know how to trade it here, and I know how to connect it with TradingView. So finally, I connected it to TradingView, and life became so much easier. And today, my second funded account, I took my first position on oil, and it hit my trailing stop. Um, it hit my trailing stop and I made around $10, and I think $1 was commission and $8. So it was around $30 in profit, but yeah, it came back and the trailing stop was taken out. So I want to give you a little bit on why I took that trade. Currently you are seeing the screen and it has Nasdaq in here, and we will go over it, what I expect it to do now. But first let me show you the position that I took and why I took it. La, 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 la. Okay, hold on. Let me save this. Going back and then going on to the oil chart. Okay, yeah, you can see what happened here is I entered here and exited somewhere here. But yeah, you can see it's almost coming down now into this order block, or you can say breaker block. And what the trade idea was, basically when the price came here, it came down and took out the stop here, and then once the breaker block, I expected that it will come back here and tap the breaker block and then we'll ride it. But ended up happening is what ended up happening, it just went to the upside, and then again it went to this liquidity area where it took liquidity, and then it's coming crashing down here, and you can see how big the candle is here. So in case you are thinking why not to enter now, because it's kind of creating a large displacement here in the opposite direction, and the overall trend is a little bit bearish, not a little bit bearish, but it is bearish. So I won't be taking the risk. But yeah, earlier when my account was approved, I tried to get in here, but then my account was not approved. But once my account was approved, I just got in here somewhere 68 points something, and then for like around 10 points um 20 points I was in profit, and I made around 25 to $30. But then again, it came down and took out my trailing stop. Always when you're trading, you should trail your stop. Otherwise, you can see right now, if I had kept my position, I would have lost around $40, which I would have been kind of kind of sad and not a good start for me. So it is perfect. $8, and I think we can show it here as well. $8 orders, and you can see it got 68.12. It was stopped here. So yeah, basically, okay, I think there is something at the bottom as well. So there were other trades that I had put a limit order as well, that if the price comes back and I will put get in. But since it has been there has been some price action already going on from the time I expected it to come down, and then I will long it from there. But it's a quite a little bit of price action, and now I don't want to get in right now. And also it looks kind of getting very bearish here. So yeah, I'm not risking it here. I'm not risking it here, so yeah, let's see how it goes. But the trade idea was just when it gets into the breaker block, buy it from here, ride it till maybe this stop or somewhere around here for 1:2 or 1:1.5. So basically, if we long it from here and stop was here and the target was around here, so it would have been 1.8, or at max it would go around yeah, around 2 in risk and reward, but I would have closed for sure around 1.8 or 1.7. But yeah, everything all is good if that ends well, and it has for me. It hit my trading stop, and I will stop talking now. So that's the update for this trade. And uh, 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 what else? So yeah, else than that, I want to show you um, Nasdaq and what I expect it to do and where I expect to get in. So I'm gonna save this and I'm gonna go on to Nasdaq. So 5 minutes chart, and price came crashing down from this daily FVG. Okay, hold on. So yeah, this is the daily FVG. You can see the fair value gap just pushed it back in here, and what I wanted it to do is come back around to these liquidity areas, but it didn't come here. But um, it's sitting around here. But if it takes out, if it makes a proper setup, which is just it will take out these lows, both of these lows, and the price will come around here, and then it will form a breaker FVG and a breaker block, which will be an optimal entry for me. But now price will try to be slower and I may not get in. So one trade is enough, even though it was just my first day. So that's a good start, I can say. So let's see what tomorrow is Friday and what it gives us. And yeah, 1 or 2 trades at max a day. That's what my plan is. Or at max 3 trades, but I don't think so. So I'm just trying to keep myself accountable through this channel and through this video. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Take care. Bye bye.